Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change language on Epic Games account. To change your Epic Games account's language, first of all open a web browser and type in epicgames.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're signed into your Epic Games account as well. Once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and find this globe icon at the top right corner. Now from the list of languages, select any other languages you would want to change to for your account. Once you choose a language and click on it, you will then be able to see that you have now successfully changed the display language on your epicgames.com website. You can do the same by going to the globe icon and changing to another preferred language of your choice if you ever want to change your language again. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.